swear me and this thing will fight today. Okay. Oh, I know, that thing is so... That thing, yeah. Let's see.
You started at the bottom, or?
I started it at the bottom and then went up a little. So hopefully it's...
There we go.
Nice little cauldron going.
All right, there.
Finally.
All right, let's get over here.
Okay.
Cut this one open.
How cool.
Half of y'all are fixing to get a new queen.
Maybe it'll calm y'all down a little.
Reckon?
I hope. I sincerely hope. Alright, let's point that up a little.
Alright, let's prime the pot.
Yes. We probably should have put this on you so I could do all the heavy lifting. We didn't think of her.
Not heavy.
Oh, yeah. There it goes. Good girls. There we go. There we go. Good grief. Oh my gosh. There it goes. I was about to say, do we need the hanger?
Got a little bit of brood there. Lots of brood there.
Yes.
No. The baby bee coming out.
Yeah.
Make sure the queen's not on here. Not much going on there, huh? Lots of larvae. Lots of brood.
Awesome.
That one over there. Queen's not there. There. Laid clear out to the edge on this one though.
Wow.
Yep.
We don't have to dig for it.
Yeah, that's okay. That's all right. Probably didn't even need those. They're done.
Yeah, I thought I busted it. There it goes.
I didn't even draw any of that
These are
out.
pretty well
Are
empty
those drawn?
too.
They're drawn.
Oh,
though.
that's drawn. Okay, good. This
So
one's
which-
really drawn.
I'd rather use those
Yeah, than the
than the ones I waxed.
right. There we go. Look at you getting some free weeding too.
Yeah, right.
Self-preservation. We're gonna die on that thing. A little bit of good
A
drawing.
little bit of brood.
Yeah,
Mostly nectar.
good food.
No queen. And then wound up splitting this one into three.
You gonna try and have one create its own queen?
No, I got two queens.
Oh, I thought we were splitting this one there. 'Cause it's
Well,
overflowing.
yeah.
It needs to
Probably
split.
need to.
Yeah. We're
Yeah.
splitting this one because it's gotten
Yeah,
so tall we
true.
can't manage it, but this one needs to split for room.
Yeah, y'all are gonna get high from that smoke.
Mm-hmm.
Dang it.
Oh my gosh, ladies. Look at this shit.
Alright, there's one. Make sure the queen's not on there.
I don't see her.
Drawn comb.
Mhm.
A little bit of nectar.
Don't see a queen.
Didn't either.
Now I got room to work. Move, buddy. Yeah. I'm just working on splitting it and letting you. I'll pry, you lift. Since this one doesn't lift very
It's
well.
got quite a bit of pollen.
Yeah.
And some brood.
And brood. And a swarm cell.
Yeah. No queen. All right. I want to try to take these down to single brood chambers over the winter.
Mm-hmm.
It's got quite a bit of brood on it.
No queen yet. Nope. So you said you were wanting to do it to single brood chambers?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Be easier to manage. Nope. Okay.
Lots of pollen.
Mm-hmm. Queen.
Queen.
Other side. Very gently. Well, I thought. Maybe not.
She's probably on the end if you saw her.
No, she was somewhere right
Because they'll
here.
run to the part that is not shining, showing.
Right, showing light. No.
And they may be hiding too.
If y'all sting me in the butt, I swear.
Don't see
I
her.
thought I saw her, but it may have been a trick of the light. Or a blonde nurse, because that messes me up too.
I don't see her. This is another one that likes to hide on me.
Mm-hmm. Move. Move, move.
Yeah, they're going into the brood break right now. So
Right. Wow, look at
they
them
got
veered.
lots of pollen. I need to make sure the queen's not on this one. I think I'm gonna put this one in there for pollen.
They're bearding off humongously. And I cannot tell because they are chock full. You want to just kind of slide them down? I don't think so. They're so
So
pretty.
we got a spotty brood pattern. Let's look at this one over here. It's got a bunch of brood.
Yes, yes, I know. That's my ear.
See the queen.
Mm-mm.
Lots of brood. And pollen.
Awesome.
So they are really getting crowded. Alright, we got tell you what we could do is we could take some of that honey that we were gonna
Oh yeah, that we were going to
spin.
spin.
and let's put them in here.
Dude,
for
resource.
food.
Yeah.
So that'll give her something to lay on. Let's take that out. I'm gonna shake those down in there for me.
Yeah, it's just caked, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna try and let it scoot over a little. I don't think it wants to.
Tons of propolis on there.
That
Oh,
is hard.
breeze.
Yes. I am.
That is not what
That
would
did
fit
pretty
in
good.
there. Oh my goodness gracious, girls.
Yeah, like y'all need to calm down. Like for real. Y'all need to calm down.
Y'all need to come in and propolize my house.
Right? You need some insulation. Like, just look at that. Look at them hanging on each other. God, I love it.
Well, you know.
Oh, maybe. Wow. There we go. I hope that's where you want it,
All
because
right.
I don't think it's
yeah,
moving.
I don't think it's moving. This one's got to.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, so let's take these that are empty, shake them in. All right. And
Yeah, a
let's
couple.
grab a couple of frames off of that blue one over there. We'll put some in here
Okay.
and some in that one.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and pop that lid.
Excuse me, ladies.
All right. Let's do a little smoke. Get our ladies good and stoned. Let them prance around a little. Oops. Oh yeah. Much better. Really, of course, y'all all hang out in the daggum corner. Come on. The only downside to the breeze is the smoke. Does not want to go where I put it. You know what? This is still so much more comfortable though. Yeah. But the bright sun beating down on you, I really think is what does us in. All right. Now, remind me, are we taking from the top
Yeah.
This was the honey that we were getting, right?
Yeah, that's the
That's
honey.
right.
Give it back to them. Instead of making sugar water, we'll give them your own sugar water.
Mm-hmm. All right, girls, stay. Make sure ain't got no queen. Just cause I don't want to screw up. Come on, shake off. Y'all ain't playing.
Those are mostly yours, so you can leave them on.
All right, outsides.
Yeah, so be careful. Go nice and slow because I don't know where the queen is.
Yeah. Don't wanna.
Scoop these over. Got your finger.
A little bit too big, so it has a mind of its own. Let's do. There's a good one. Sorry guys, just made it very hard for you. Yeah, made it very hard for you guys to see, didn't I? I know, right? All right, no queen. Get most of them. Woo! Listen to that. Ow!
Got it. Go get the other one.
All right. Nope, of course it's stuck. I thought I'd already gotten that one. Okay. Yeah, they are. They are chill. Mm-hmm.
Shake the bees. Shake the bees over here.
Let me get a good grasp
Or you
on
can
it.
shake them in front.
Yeah.
Shake them through.
Oh.
There you go. They're going.
I'm trying not to hit the phone.
Girls, you
Woo.
can do. All right, now come back.
Nice and slow. Grab that propolis if you don't mind. That should be good. Good enough?
Yeah, I think I want to keep my brood chambers at 10 frames.
Yeah.
All right, where's our lids?
Yes.
All right. Take that one down. No longer a monster hive. Let's put our sticks in there.
Yes.
Put the sticks up underneath this one.
Oh,
instead
yeah.
of the lid. I think it would be better. There we go.
Oh, that'll work.
I didn't see the first hive beetle in this one.
I didn't either, and I was pleasantly
I've got-
surprised.
hang on, I got some peppermints. Let's throw some-
Yeah. So do you want to put some of these that have been built out? Do we want to put frames in that one, or are we leaving it as is?
We're going to use that as a resource for right now. Just
Okay.
leave it right there.
All right. Here.
Taking our gloves. You know, somebody said just throw the plastic in there. They'll take care of the plastic too.
Well, we could always try it.
It's already coming out.
else will. I at least want to get it there,
I
Dad.
can't get this just want to be there.
If they really want it, they'll work for it. Goodness.
Can't.
I gotta be able to put the lid back on, you girls.
Go. Alright.
Go back home. Go to bed. You're grounded. Go to bed.
Time to go night. Time to go night.
Bedtime. Let's sing them a lullaby.
A lullaby.
A lullaby.
Rick.
Brick. Bye.